Hi, and welcome to Real Talk English in Español. I'm Chris, and I'm really glad you're here. On this channel, you'll learn English and Spanish through real conversations, the way people actually speak in everyday life. If you enjoy learning in a natural and relaxed way, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Real Talk English en Español. I'm Sofía, and I'm really happy you're here with me today. If you're listening right now, I just want to say this first. You don't need to be perfect to learn a new language. Learning even a few words is already great progress. In today's episode, we're going to learn basic Spanish words that people use every day. I will say the Spanish word first, and then I will explain it in clear, simple English. This episode is perfect if you are curious about Spanish, but you're still a beginner. Don't worry about your accent. Don't worry about mistakes. Just relax and try your best. I'll also give you time to repeat the words out loud because speaking helps you learn faster. So let's start. Today, we're learning Spanish words that you hear all the time in daily life. These are simple, friendly words that help you connect with people. Remember, you don't need to learn everything at once. Learning a little every day is enough. Let's go step by step, slowly and calmly. Let's start with greetings in Spanish. Greetings are the words you use when you say hello to someone. They are usually the first words you say when you meet the person. The first and most common greeting is Hola. Hola means hello. You can use hola at any time of the day, with friends, family, or people you don't know. Try saying it with me. Hola. Good. Now, let's move to greetings you use at different times of the day. Buenos días. Buenos días means good morning. You usually say buenos días in the morning until around noon. Let's practice together. Buenos días. Nice. Next is buenas tardes. Buenas tardes means good afternoon. You use buenas tardes in the afternoon, and before the evening. Try saying buenas tardes. Very good. Now the last one, buenas noches. Buenas noches means good evening or good night. You can say buenas noches when you greet someone in the evening and also when you say goodbye at night. Let's say it together. Buenas noches. Great job. These greetings are simple but very important. Using them helps you sound polite and friendly in Spanish. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. Just try saying the words out loud. That's how you learn. Now, let's talk about polite words in Spanish. Polite words are very important because they show respect and kindness. People use these words every day in shops, at work, with friends, and with strangers. Let's start with a very common one. Por favor. Por favor means please in English. You use por favor when you ask for something. For example, when you want help or when you want to be polite. Try saying it with me. Por favor. Good. Now, the next word is gracias. Gracias means thank you. You say gracias when someone helps you, gives you something, or is kind to you. Try saying it. Gracias. Nice. When someone says gracias to you, you can reply with de nada. De nada means you're welcome. It's a friendly way to say that helping is no problem. Let's practice de nada. Very good. Now the last word is perdón. Perdón means sorry or excuse me. You can use perdón when you make a small mistake or when you want to get someone's attention or when you accidentally bump into someone. Try saying it. Perdón. Great job. These polite words are small but very powerful. Using them makes your Spanish sound friendly and respectful. Don't worry about saying them perfectly. Just try. People will understand you.
All right. Before we wrap up, I just want to say one more thing. Sophia, you really did an amazing job today. The way you explain Spanish words so clearly and always connect them to simple English makes learning feel easy and friendly. I know our listeners really appreciate that. And to everyone listening right now, great job. You showed up, you listened, and you practiced. That already means you're making progress. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. Learning a language is about trying, repeating, and enjoying the process. If you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us grow and create more lessons like this for you. And make sure to come back for the next episode where we'll continue with more real, practical English and Spanish you can use in everyday life. Thanks for listening to Real Talk English and Espanol. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and we'll see you next time.